kitchen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Amito, Mitra here from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. I hope you're all doing great. It's a beautiful morning. I woke up in someone's house.
What do you mean in someone's house?
In someone's house. Please, host, come and say hi.
Hi everyone, welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you. Thank you on behalf of everyone watching, because we are all guests here. Yeah, so this is Mercy. She has a channel. I think you guys have been seeing it. I've been linking it up in my past 2 videos. And her channel is called Mercy's Empire Africa. So go and check. Did I say check? Check her out. I'm also here with Malika. Malika, come and say hi.
Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen.
So today these girls want to teach me how to make Kenyan pilau.
Yes.
And I'm very excited. They're going to copyright us. And I'm very excited about it. We're already in the kitchen and we want to get straight to the drill.
Yes, so we're going to be making pilau. I realized that Ugandans say pilau or pilau. It's pilau, P-I-L-A-U. That's the real.
It's all the same. I'm here for the Ugandans. It's all the same. Pilau,
no, let me give you.
The spelling.
Yes, this is the spelling.
We know, but we are Ugandans.
No. Okay, you can pronounce it like that, but writing pilau.
No, of course it's you. It's you, pilau.
Okay, so today I'm the chef and I want to teach Amito how to make like I'm not a professional cook. Let's get that clear. I'm not a professional cook, but I want to teach her our way, our Kenyan way of making pilau. I hope you guys like it. Tell us what you think in the comment section, and yeah,
let's get to the action.
Yeah.
Okay, so come closer, Amito.
Here I am.
All right, so you can notice there's some onions on top, and then this is of course meat, beef for that matter. So the reason as to why I put onions in the mixture while I'm cooking, while I'm boiling, is because first of all I want to drink the soup, very important, and then also to bring out the flavor. Okay, so that's why I put onions and also garlic.
Oh, okay.
And of course I'm boiling with salt as well. Ooh, so far so good. But then, are you going to have the soup?
I wouldn't mind soup. The soup aside.
This is the broth, right? You can actually, if indeed the meat is ready, if the meat is cooked, you can take this broth and then use it when you're making the pilau, as in when you introduce the rice. But also, if you want, you can drink, but the meat is still not ready yet. I can see it's still not cooked.
So guys, you shouldn't mind about the background noise. We are just next to a school and it's unavoidable.
It's unavoidable. And then here we have the ingredients, okay? Pilau, the main ingredients for pilau are onions and garlic, okay? And then of course, pilau masala, we have pilau masala. Guys, we are not doing anything for tropical heat, but this is what we are using, okay? So naturally you have the pilau masala, the grounded one, but when you're in the coast they have the, how do I say, the natural ones. They're still not grounded. Those ones are really tasty, unlike these ones, but we have to use these ones for now. But we'll still make our pilau. So some of you might be asking why all these. It's because the pilau needs to have a taste. It needs to have a taste, a very nice taste, and it's because of the onions and the garlic. Yeah. Okay. But some people use tomatoes, but pilau, good pilau doesn't need tomatoes. So you just have to have a lot of onions and garlic, and that's it.
Okay.
In Kiswahili we say utamu wa chakula ni kitunguu.
Meaning?
You put a lot of onion in your food, like
For it
to bring the flavor.
Yeah.
if you are a good chef, onions are your
Number one.
Okay.
So we're going to crush this. We are going to crush this, okay? And then do that. So we have garlic. This is garlic, and of course a lot of onions. So when you come here,
And then this.
no, I don't think we're gonna use that one. Maybe in the salad.
All right,
but
yeah.
that's coriander.
All right.
So I think that. What do you think? Maybe
Yeah, I
should
think it's
give you one
ready.
you try.
Oh, it's too hot to burn me. No, it's okay. Let's just continue. It
So
looks ready already.
It looks ready, yeah. So I'm gonna drain this, and then anyone who wants the soup can have it.
All right.
If not, we can just continue. Okay.
Okay.
So. Oh my God.
Sorry. It's hot.
Very hot. We let it dry first before we come in with our oil. Mercy. So at this point, the meat is dry. We have to come in with the oil, and you have to be a little generous with the oil because it has to at least dry and deep fry, or rather shallow fry.
Okay.
You know. So I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's enough. So we're gonna leave it here for the meat to dry at least, so that it doesn't kubambuka ni nini kwa English? Kuachana chana. So that the meat doesn't do what? Guys, Aki, Kenyans, please help me. Isibambuke. So I don't know if you guys are seeing what we are trying to achieve. The soup is nice. I told you guys, you can hear reviews from people. So this is what we wanted to achieve, to shallow fry the meat, so that it doesn't break when you put in the rice. So we come in with guys, everyone has a different way of preparing pilau. So if this is not your way, you can share with us how you do your own. Oh my God.
Questions are more used to breaking the two kind of.
Actually, I think I've done there's something I've missed. I should have put the pilau masala first, but it's still fine. Why am I separating? Because the garlic burns faster. It's not gonna give the onions time to brown. You know, I'm giving you kitchen hacks. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for the onions at least to brown a little before we put in the garlic and then the pilau masala. But otherwise, you know, people would have, you see, when you've already browned your meat, someone would come in with pilau masala first, which is also a good thing. But so the onions have browned, or I think so. What do you guys think?
They have. You're the one tutoring, yeah, so.
Okay, the way I'm tutoring you guys as if I'm a professional chef. So that's garlic. Okay. Do you guys feel the garlic? Can you smell the garlic? You love it?
The aroma.
Right. Okay, I'm going to be so generous with the pilau masala. Okay. Yeah, you don't have to be mean with it because this is grounded masala and it's not that strong. Unlike the one we'll do ourselves and crush ourselves. Okay, so guys, we have not used ginger because normally you mix ginger with garlic, but for today we are not using the ginger because one of us here is allergic to ginger, you know. So I don't know if you have seen what's happening here. We're going to put water. I'm using this same tumbler because it's the one I used to measure the rice, and we have 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to put not 4 but 3.5. 2. 3, and this one I'm not going to. This one's going halfway because the rice will come with its own water after being washed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the broth. Can you guys tell us if you wash your rice? Some people don't wash rice. So we're just gonna give it a stir once.
But when you hear the voice, back voice for kids, I think you will just do a voiceover.
And then we close our pan. Don't know why it's not fitting here, but yeah. So you're gonna give this like 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna be ready.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Malika, bye bye. I miss you too. Open. Guys, hello everyone. Hello. I'm here with Mercy of Mercy's Empire Africa, and you guys, ooh, don't mind Mercy's driving me back home. You guys, saying goodbye. Saying goodbye is very, very hard. I feel so bad. No. I've been at Mercy's place for how many days? Since Friday evening. Yeah. I've been there Friday evening, Saturday, today is Sunday, and I'm finally going back home because I feel so bad, you guys. You should. But I still feel good because on normal weekends, if like I didn't have anything to do, I didn't have videos to shoot, I would be in bed all through doing nothing, just watching people's videos on YouTube and then just following up with what is happening in the world. So I feel more relaxed. I feel like I've at least moved out of my comfort zone. I just feel good. It's rejuvenating. It's a good thing. Thank you so much, Mercy.
Thank you too, Mitra.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Oh, good. Nice to miss you.
We are adjusting this camera because I'll miss you too. I appreciate you coming over. I think I've added another friend in my circle. I love you so much. I didn't know you're this jovial person outside the camera, but I'll also miss you, please.
Thank you. So you guys, I'm going to tell you guys a secret. I was trying to tell Mercy and Malika that I have so many friends, yes, but I don't have friends who invite me for sleepovers. Yeah, this meant so much to me. You know, like when you go for sleepovers, you talk about things, like you so much open up to people.
Girl talk.
Yeah, girl talk and all that. So I don't have people I do this with. I don't have people who invite me for sleepovers and like talk me into. Okay, I have only one person I think who does that, and that's Edridge. But yeah, and yet I have so many friends, so someone would think Amito has so many friends, these are things she does all the time, but most of the times I'm in my bed at home watching videos, YouTube videos, doing so much things, like, you know, following up.
Are you an introvert?
Yes, and people don't believe that. People don't believe I'm an introvert because the times I go out there are the times I post. So people think I'm always out, but you guys, I know There are like 3 people who know that I'm an introvert, like who really know me as an introvert. I might not mention them here, but that is who I am. Always alone, always hiding away from people. Like I love my space like so much.
Yeah. I think I'm both. I think I read the energy and adjust. And those people who read the energy and adjust, like if I go to a place and I don't feel the energy, then in that place, in that city, I'll be an introvert. But when I go somewhere and I'm reading this bubbly energy, then I'll go out there. And it's not so easy to do that. You know that? It's not so easy to connect like that. Yeah.
Anyway, it was a very beautiful weekend. Of course, I don't think this vlog is ending here. There's so much I'm going to do today that I'll be letting you guys know, but I just wanted to take this opportunity and appreciate Masi and Malika, the few days I've been with you.
Just know, if you're bored, any weekend you feel bored, you don't have to be an introvert. Just call me, holler at me like Mercy, pass over, pick me. Or again, now I know you're home, I'll be the one who's, if Malika goes back to Kenya, leaves me behind, I'll be just bumping and saying, hey, I am in your gut, I am at your doorstep, like, open the door.
Guys, I'm feeling so emotional. Anyway, the camera is really giving us a hard time, like adjusting to. Let's get home, and I'll be talking to you guys later. Bye for now.
Bye guys. Love you all. Kindly subscribe to my channel.
I'll be leaving it somewhere there for you guys.